Hi everyone, my name's Erin, this is Valley. Thank you for joining me again today. Today we are going to just work through a 10-minute energizing session that you can do in the mornings, and it's going to be a great way to start off your day. So we're going to start off at the bottom of the mat, and we're going to work through a few sun salutations. So you can inhale your arms up, stretch up, and exhale, take yourself down to the mat. You can have your fingers just touching. Inhale to a flat back, exhale, and then just walk your hands forward into a downward facing dog. You can pedal out your feet here. Your heels may or may not touch the ground, that's fine. And the idea with the downward dog is to have a straight back. So if a straight back means having your knees bent, then just keep your knees bent. Otherwise, you can also try and push your heels towards the mat. Look forward between your hands. Inhale, come into a plank pose. Belly to spine. Drop your knees, untuck your toes, and then bring your elbows in towards, so they scrape your ribs down into chaturanga. And we're going to come up into a cobra. Inhale, and then release yourself down. Exhale, inhale, come up, exhale, release, and one more. Inhale, all the way up into a upward facing dog. Tuck your toes and come back into your downward facing dog. Pedal out your feet. Look between your hands and step your feet forward. Bend your knees and come all the way up into a high mountain. Take your hands through your heart and down by your side. And you can just breathe through the nose, in and out. Inhale, arms up. You can do a slight back bend, and then exhale all the way down to the mat. Inhale to halfway. You want to have a nice straight back here. Exhale, hands to the mat. Step back with your left foot, then your right foot. Drop your knees and into your chaturanga. Inhale to your upward facing dog. And exhale into your downward facing dog. And just pedal this out. We can extend the right leg up and then just bend that knee, getting a beautiful stretch through the right hip. And then let's take it down. We'll take to the other side, lift up your left leg, open up your hip, and bring it down. And then come forward into your plank. Drop to your knees, bring your arms in, and release yourself down onto the mat into an upward facing dog and downward facing dog. Pedal that out. Look forward between your hands, and you can step yourself forward. Inhale to halfway lift. Exhale to release. Bend your knees and come all the way back up into a lovely strong mountain. Now we'll try and work through a couple of these without using our knees. Inhale, arms up, slight back bend. Exhale to the mat. Inhale to a halfway lift. Exhale, take your hands to the mat. Step back with your right foot, then your left foot, and then we'll go into a chaturanga. Down to the mat, into an upward facing dog, and then into your downward facing dog. Just pedal that out. You can look between your hands, you can jump forward, or you can take little steps forward. Bend your knees to halfway. Release yourself down. Then come all the way back up into a beautiful strong mountain. We'll do one more. Inhale up. Exhale to release. Inhale to a halfway lift. Exhale, take your hands to the mat. Step back with your right, then your left. Challenge ourselves a little bit in our plank pose. Hold it here. And just hold for a minute. Engage your belly, engage your core. You don't want to have your butt sticking up or down. And then let's release into chaturanga, upward facing dog, downward facing dog. Just pedal that out. You can walk your hands to your feet and your feet to your hands so you meet in the middle of the mat. Take your elbows and hold your, take your hands to hold your elbows and drop your head down. Just have a slight rock from side to side. You can bend your knees and straighten them. And then we're going to release ourselves all the way down onto our mat. You can untuck your toes, sit back onto your heels, and we're going to go into a child's pose. So you can keep your knees together if you like, or you can have the mat width apart. For this one, I'm going to have my knees together, and you can release yourself down. You can, if your head cannot reach the mat, then you just use a block under your forehead. But mine can, so I'll just drop down into a beautiful child's pose. And you can make your way back up, roll onto one hip, and we're just going to come into seated butterfly. You can sit up tall and release yourself forward. Come up. Just cross your legs into an easy seated position. Take your arms up overhead. Take your right hand to your left knee and then have a twist from the belly up to the chest and then last through to your neck. And back to center. Inhale, arms up. Let's take the other side, left hand to right knee, and twist to look behind you. And back to center. Take your right hand out by the side, put it, allow it to go flat, lift your left arm up, and then stretch through the left hand side of the body. Okay, look up. And then let's take it to the other side. Left hand down, just out from your hip. Extend the right arm up. And then stretch over. And back to center. You can take your arms up overhead. Clasp your hands through onto your chest. And just breathe into your hands. You may feel your heart racing a little bit. Got a little bit of cardio going. And take your hands up overhead into a prayer position and through your forehead into your heart. Thank yourself for taking a bit of time to make it to your mat today. Thank you so much for joining me again today. Namaste. If you liked this video, please